In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your HubSpot dashboards, whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to optimize your use of its powerful tools. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first need to head over to the HubSpot trial guide page for the Sales Hub Professional. This page will be your starting point as you explore the features of HubSpot. Once you're there, look for the Reporting option. Click on it to navigate to the next step. The reporting section is where you'll find all the analytical tools you need to track performance and gain insights into your business operations. Now, once you're in the reporting section, you'll see an option for dashboards. Click on Dashboards to proceed. Dashboards in HubSpot are an excellent way to visualize your data and keep all your important metrics in one place. They're designed to be both comprehensive and customizable, making it easier to manage your information. The next step is to create a new dashboard. Look for the New Dashboard button and click on it. This action will allow you to start building a custom space where you can aggregate all your necessary data points. HubSpot provides a variety of templates and widgets to tailor your dashboard to meet specific business needs. Now that you've started creating your new dashboard, you'll want to give it a name that reflects its intended use or the data it will contain. Click on the Dashboard Name field and enter a name that makes it easily identifiable. This is important for organization purposes, especially if you plan to manage multiple dashboards. After naming your dashboard, you'll consider who can access it. Click on Who can access this dashboard to set permission levels. Here you can control visibility based on team roles or department needs, making sure the right people have access to the relevant data. This is a crucial step for maintaining confidentiality and ensuring efficient collaboration within teams. Finally, you're ready to create your dashboard. Click on Create Dashboard to finalize the setup. Once created, you can start adding reports, graphs, and other widgets to display your data clearly and effectively. HubSpot allows you to customize layouts and widgets to suit your preferences, helping you keep important information front and center. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and customized your HubSpot dashboard. This tool will be invaluable in your journey to better understanding your business performance and making data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more features and make the most of your dashboard capabilities in HubSpot.